let's consider, for example, when we have a database that samples.
Combining deep learning and web audio for automated real-time.
My name is JT Colonel, or Joseph T. Colonel on the left. I worked on this paper with Marco Comunità, who's sitting right here with Juan here, and my advisor, Joshua Rice, all the way back there. Hello. This is part of my PhD that I've been working on at Queen Mary University of London.
Workshop on moving picture audio and data coding by artificial intelligence, MPAI. And what we're presenting today are the new audio standards excluding artificial intelligence.